Did you hear the buzz? The iPhone 17 Pro Max is here, and it has everyone talking. But what makes it so special? Let's dive into the details. We've all seen the hype around the newest iPhone, but does it live up to the expectations? Join me as we explore what's new and exciting about this model. From improved features to that stunning design, there's a lot to discuss. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is not just another phone. It's a game changer for young adults and working professionals alike. It's essential to stay updated on these changes because they can impact how we communicate, work, and even capture our lives. Before getting in, if you want to create an app without coding, contact 79892-81972. Now, let's break down the standout features of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. First up, the display. This new model boasts a larger Super Retina XDR display. With a stunning resolution, your videos and photos will pop like never before. Imagine watching your favorite series or browsing through Instagram. Every detail will be so vivid. Then, there's the new A17 chip. Apple claims this chip is more powerful and efficient than ever. What does that mean for you? Faster processing, smoother multitasking, and an overall snappier performance. Say goodbye to lag when you're switching between apps. This chip is also designed to enhance gaming experiences with better graphics and frame rates. Now let's talk about those camera upgrades. The iPhone 17 Pro Max takes photography to the next level. It features a triple camera system with improved low-light capabilities. Whether it's a dimly lit restaurant or a sunset, your photos will turn out amazing. And we can't forget the exciting new features like Pro RAW and ProRes video recording. This gives you more control over your photography and videography, perfect for the content creators out there. But what about battery life? Apple has proudly claimed that the battery life on the iPhone 17 Pro Max is longer than previous models. Imagine that, spending less time tethered to a charger. For working professionals, this means fewer interruptions and more productivity on the go. And speaking of productivity, let's touch on the software side of things. iOS 17 brings some exciting features that enhance user experience. Enhanced widgets, smarter notifications, and more customization options make using your phone a breeze. You'll find yourself navigating through your tasks and apps more efficiently. Now, let's not overlook the design. With its sleek and modern aesthetics, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is not just functional, it's stylish. Carrying this phone will certainly make a statement. And, let's be real, who doesn't love showing off a new gadget? The colors are stunning too. From classic black to vibrant shades, there's a color that suits everyone's personality. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The iPhone 17 Pro Max supports advanced 5G capabilities. That means faster download speeds, smoother streaming, and a better experience for everything you do online. Yes, you can browse, work, and play without those annoying interruptions. As we wrap up our deep dive into this amazing device, let's discuss the price. We all know that Apple products don't come cheap, but consider this. Investing in a quality smartphone can save you money in the long run. With all these features, you're getting a reliable device that can keep up with your busy lifestyle. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Are you excited to try out these new features? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Sharing this video with your friends can help them decide if the iPhone 17 Pro Max is right for them too. Before you go, remember the takeaway. The iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just an upgrade, it's a glimpse into the future of smartphones. Whether for work or play, it promises to keep you connected and engaged. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. If you want to know what is